Hi guys, I'm Sarah, the small space mom. I'm a mom of four, and right now I'm just making dinner for my kids. But while I'm cooking, I thought I'd tell you a little bit about what I do here and why I review so many things from Amazon. Most of the time when you see my videos, I'm reviewing things that I actually use around the house. And most of the times it happens during real life like this. Cooking, cleaning, organizing, kids running around. A lot of the products I test come through Amazon Vine, which basically means I get to try products and then I share my honest experience. But I also have independent brands that reach out to me directly and ask if I can review their products. So it's really a mix of both. That said, I try to be very selective about the brands I work with. As a busy mom of four, living in a small space, my time is very limited, and I want to make sure that if I say yes to a brand, I can actually deliver the review on time and do it properly. So my goal or my focus is usually to share things that actually earn their place in real life and real homes. I also tend to keep a really close eye on products that help save space. One thing I always like to explain is that living in a small space doesn't always mean the home itself is small. Sometimes it's really about the number of people living in the home compared to the size of the space. For example, right now we live in a 3-bedroom home and I have 4 kids. So we have our bedroom as the parents, and then the other 2 bedrooms have to be shared by the kids. And since we also have a son in the mix, it can get a little tricky trying to balance everything and to make sure everyone is comfortable in the space they have. A lot of townhomes and apartments, depending on where you live, don't always have very large rooms. So even if the home itself looks like a decent size, once you start dividing the space between everyone in the family, it can quickly start to feel like a small space. So right now I'm just making burgers and fries for the kids. Nothing fancy, just a real life dinner. One of the biggest challenges for me in all of this is actually finding the time to film full videos. So with the kids at home, most of the time it can be pretty close to impossible. I don't have an office or a spare room that I can dedicate to my work, so I just make it work with the space I have. Most of the time I'm filming right in my kitchen, sometimes on the dining table, and occasionally in the garage. So it's not always perfect, but it's real life, and that's just how things work in our home. Because of that, voiceovers make it a lot easier for me to actually create content and still get my reviews done. I can film when I have the chance and then record the voiceover later when things are a little calmer. And in most cases, it's when the kids have gone to bed. So you will see a lot of voiceovers on my channel, but no matter how the video is made, the goal is always the same: to share my honest experience with the products I'm reviewing, with a lot more focus on real space-saving products. Now, my husband works full-time. He's also a retired veteran, and even after retiring from the military, he still works full-time. So he stays very busy as well. On my side, I also run and manage a full-time freight forwarding business. So between work, the kids, and everything else going on in our house, life can get pretty busy. My youngest is 3 years old. I have a 5-year-old son, an 11-year-old daughter, and a 10-year-old daughter. So that's 3 girls and 1 boy. So with these kids, space matters in our house, storage matters, cleaning matters, and honestly, anything that makes life easier matters. So on this channel, you will see a mix of things, real life product reviews, a lot of them focused on small space living, Amazon finds, Amazon Vine finds, cleaning routines, organization ideas, and just life in a small space home. As I previously mentioned, I want to be able to just focus on what earns its place in our home or in real lives and real homes. So if you enjoy real life reviews, small space living, make sure you follow along. I test a lot of things so you don't have to. And I really appreciate you watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed or liked, if this is something you're interested in staying for, please go ahead and like my video and subscribe. But before I sign off, I'm actually curious to hear from you. What are some of your small space struggles? What are the things that you deal with in your home when it comes to space, organization, or just making everything work for your family? And if there's anything else you'd like to know about me, my family, or the products I review, feel free to ask. The comment section is open and I'm always happy to answer questions. If you also have suggestions for things you'd like me to review or talk about, I would definitely appreciate that. I still have a long way to grow with all of this, but my goal was to simply start and grow as I go. I'm definitely looking forward to creating more polished videos in the future, but for now, we're just working with what we have. Because at the end of the day, small space living is really about making the most of what you have.